Hello everyone. Next come to the second type, that is a homogeneous equation. Already you know that in the first type we will study the variable separable method. Next step is the type 2. It's a homogeneous differential equation. Simply it is a homogeneous equation. First you have to study homogeneous function. First you have to know about the homogeneous function. What is the homogeneous function? It's a very important. A function in the form of f of xy is said to be a homogeneous function if it satisfies the condition f of tx ty is equal to t raised to n f of xy, where t is another variable. You take any z variable, other variables. Okay, I am taking here t. So this is also called as it's a homogeneous function of nth degree in xy. The degree is depend on the power of the variable t. So that is the t raised to n. N is the degree of the given homogeneous function. Okay. How to define homogeneous function? A function f of xy is said to be homogeneous if f of tx ty is equal to t raised to n f of xy. We get satisfied this condition, that is called as a homogeneous function with a degree n. Okay, let's see some examples. Take down first one. I am taking as x plus 3y. It's one of the function. They given f of xy equal to x plus 3y. Okay, but what we have to condition prove? That is a f of tx. That is a taking the n variable as a t to multiplying the each term. That's why I am taking multiplying the variable t. Get f of tx ty. X plus 3y can be replaced for xy. X is a x, but the tx is a, I am taking for x, replacing as a tx, plus 3 constant as it is, and y replace as a ty. Okay, because f of tx ty can be defined as tx plus 3ty. Okay, then rearranging, take a t common on RHS. What you get? Putting a t is a common, we get a x plus, remaining term is x plus 3y, but x plus 3y is a f of xy. Therefore, we get a f of tx ty is equal to t into f of xy. We satisfy the condition of f of tx ty equal to t raised to n f of xy, where here n is a 1. Therefore, function is homogeneous with the degree is 1. Okay. Take down second one. 4x square plus y square. This is the another function. I am taking as f of xy. This is f of xy, one of the function. 4x square plus y square. Multiplying both by t. That the variable is good. F of tx ty is equal to 4 is a constant as it is. X can be replaced as a tx. We get a tx whole square, and y replaced as a ty. We get a ty whole square. Don't be confused. Multiplying means we get only not a t. If you replacing x as a tx, y as a ty, we get a, then we get a f of tx ty. Okay. Then what we get on RHS? 4 as a constant as it is, t square x square plus t square y square, which is a common. T square is a common. Take outside. We get a 4x square plus y square, that is the f of xy. Therefore, f of tx ty is equal to t square f of xy. Once again, it's a, by condition, it is a homogeneous function with the degree is what? N value is 2. Therefore, the degree is 2. Take one more, that is the x cube plus y square. See here, the function is what? X cube plus y square. Once again, replace in the form of x as a tx, y as a ty. What we get? F of tx ty is equal to tx whole cube plus y as a, replace as a ty, we get a ty whole square. Then in RHS, what to get? T cube x cube plus t square y square. Then what is the common term on RHS? The highest power is 3 for t, but common is what? The least is 2. I am taking as a t square is a common. Then remaining term is a tx cube plus y square. But see here, tx cube plus y square is not a f of xy. It's only x cube plus y square. T is the extra term for x cube. Therefore, f of tx ty is not equal to in the form of t raised to n f of xy. Therefore, it's not a homogeneous function. So, this is called as a homogeneous function. How to define homogeneous function? a function f of xy is said to be a homogeneous function if f of tx ty is equal to t raised to f of xy. It satisfies this condition, then only that function is said to be a homogeneous function with a degree is n. Okay, let's see the definition of homogeneous differential equation. Okay, a differential equation, we know that we have to studying the only first degree first order differential equation. That's why I'm taking a differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is said to be a homogeneous differential equation in x and y if m and are homogeneous functions of the same degree in xy. That is, if the equation in the form of m dx n dy equal to 0, that is a m xy dx plus n xy dy equal to 0 is said to be a homogeneous differential equation if and only if m xy and n xy must be homogeneous function. Know that already, homogeneous function definition with the same degree. Must and should m and n have a homogeneous function with the same degree. Then only the equation m dx plus n dy is said to be a homogeneous differential equation. On other side, they also define if it is in the form of dy by dx form. M dx plus n dy and in the form of rearranging in the form of dy by dx, I am taking in the nth function, that is f1, f2. A differential equation, in other definition, we also define a differential equation in x and y is said to be homogeneous if it can be put in the form of dy by dx is equal to f1 of xy divided by f2 of xy, where must and should f1, f2 must be a homogeneous function with the same degree. So that is called as a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, I will explain, or I will send some more examples on homogeneous function in group. Okay, in next class I will explain the method to solve the homogeneous differential equation. Okay, thank you.